A dry scalp can feel uncomfortable, tight, and itchy, and if you ignore it, it can lead to dandruff and increased hair fall. The good news is that most dry scalp problems can be treated with simple home remedies that start working within a few days. In this video, I'm going to show you easy, natural, and effective ways to fix a dry scalp at home using simple ingredients and the right routine. The first thing to understand is that a dry scalp is usually caused by a lack of moisture. Harsh shampoos, hot water, overwashing, or cold weather. When the scalp loses its natural oils, it becomes flaky and irritated. So the goal is to restore moisture and balance without using harsh chemicals. The best place to start is with a gentle oil massage. Using oils like jojoba, almond, or coconut helps soften the scalp and lock in moisture. Warm the oil slightly, apply it to your scalp, and massage for 5 to 10 minutes. This increases blood flow and helps the scalp absorb the oil better. Another effective remedy is aloe vera gel. Aloe is naturally soothing, hydrating, and calming. It helps cool down irritation and reduces itchiness instantly. Apply a thin layer of fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before washing. Aloe works especially well if your dry scalp is caused by irritation or product buildup. You can also try using a DIY scalp mask made from yogurt and honey. Yogurt moisturizes and cools the scalp, while honey helps lock in hydration. Mix 2 spoons of yogurt with 1 spoon of honey. Apply it to your scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes. This simple mask adds moisture back into the skin and reduces flakiness. Another tip is to avoid hot water. Hot water strips natural oils from your scalp and makes dryness worse. Always wash your hair with lukewarm or cool water. This keeps the moisture inside your scalp and helps maintain a healthy balance. You should also avoid overwashing your hair. Washing every day removes essential oils and increases dryness. Try washing 2 to 3 times per week instead. Using a gentle shampoo is also important. Harsh shampoos make the scalp more dry and sensitive. Choose a sulfate-free shampoo with soothing ingredients like chamomile, aloe, or tea tree. These help calm the scalp while still keeping it clean. After shampooing, always use a conditioner on the lengths of your hair to keep everything soft and balanced. Finally, if your dry scalp gets worse during winter, increase your oiling routine. Cold air pulls moisture out of the skin, so giving your scalp extra hydration during winter is essential. You can also use a humidifier at night to keep the air in your home from becoming too dry. Small lifestyle changes, like drinking more water and avoiding scratching, can also make a big difference. With consistency, these home remedies can bring your scalp back to a healthy, comfortable state in just a few days. Gentle oil massages, aloe treatment, soothing masks, better washing habits, and a mild shampoo all work together to restore moisture and reduce dryness. If you want a video on how to treat dandruff or how to fix itchy scalp permanently, comment below and I'll create that next.